When is a tooth beyond repair? We often see patients that walk in with a old crown with a piece of rotten tooth inside, and they ask us, and it's a very common thing, can't you just glue it back? Number one, there was a reason why that crown came out. Most of the times it's not possible. Crowns don't just come out. If a crown has come out, there's something wrong. It's either that the tooth is dead, broken, rotten, and in most of those cases we need to make that call. When is a tooth repairable? When is it savable? And if we save it, what is it going to be in the long term? Or do we really need to replace it? Replacement of a tooth pushes us into my favorite part of dentistry, which is implantology. And the simple replacement of a tooth with an implant, it sounds simple, but it's actually a very complex procedure. We've just started using Navident in our practice now, where we can actually live see where we're drilling when we want to place that implant to make sure that that implant is placed in the absolute perfect position. I want to always delay the placement of an implant as long as possible, because the one thing that we don't realize about implants is implants, like any dental procedure, has got a lifespan. Nothing in life lasts forever. So I want to keep the natural tooth as long as possible. If we can save it or repair it, we're going to save it or repair it. But once that day comes that we say, this is not savable, no amount of begging, arguing, running to different dentists is going to change that. Once a tooth is lost, it is lost. And we then need to make a decision how to replace it long term. If we decide to replace it long term, that implant must be placed in the absolute perfect position, because the skew implant is worse than the rotten tooth that you had before. The bone must be managed, the tissue must be managed, else an implant is an ugly thing. I see more ugly implants daily than I see pretty implants. And a pretty well-constructed implant takes a really dedicated crew to get that thing done properly and then maintained by the patient properly. Because an implant is not a tooth, it is like a tooth. It will always have its implant complications. So patients often think that if I go and I replace a tooth with an implant, that's it, no more dentist for me. Truth be told, is the implants are just as maintenance sensitive as what a natural tooth is. So always look after your teeth. We want to keep them natural and beautiful as long as possible.
Your dentist, your choice.